You can file a case without a lawyer? Small Claims Court explained. Most people think going to court always means hiring a lawyer and spending a lot of money, but that's not always true. In the Philippines, Small Claims Court allows you to file a case without a lawyer to recover money that is owed to you. First, check if your case qualifies. Small claims only covers money-related disputes like unpaid loans, debts, promissory notes, and unpaid goods or services. Claims for damages and criminal cases are not included. Next, file your case at the municipal or metropolitan trial court where the defendant lives or where the transaction happened. Ask for the small claims form, fill in the details, and clearly state how much money you are claiming and why. Then, attach your supporting documents such as receipts, promissory notes, demand letters, and valid IDs. After that, pay the required filing fee. Once filed, the court will issue a summons and schedule a hearing. During the hearing, both parties must appear personally. The judge will try to settle the case and review the evidence. In most cases, a decision is issued the same day or shortly after, and it's final. Small Claims Court is designed to be fast, simple, and affordable, helping ordinary Filipinos assert their rights without hiring a lawyer.